Please avoid this brand. This piece of shit put me in such big trouble. This is the one thing I found really annoying about the ASX. There is no Bluetooth, no auxiliary port, but there is radio. So, what do? We get this. So, if you're familiar with cars, you know exactly what this is. But just in case, this is a device that you connect to your charging port, and it helps you connect your phone to the radio via Bluetooth. So the way this works is you connect your mobile to this device via Bluetooth, and once you've done that, you match your radio frequency with the frequency on the device. And once you've done that, you can stream audio from your mobile onto your car's inbuilt radio. I have just unboxed it, and it also comes with a remote through which I assume you could dial. You can even adjust the channel instead of reaching towards the port and having to scroll or press the buttons while driving. So this is really convenient. And another thing is that I see a button over here to receive calls, to answer calls, which is another cool thing. You have that option on the remote as well. You have the answer button and the decline button as well. So this is something really cool and really handy, especially if your radio does not come with auxiliary port or Bluetooth. Please avoid this brand. This piece of shit put me in such big trouble. So basically what happened is, for some reason, because of its stupid shape, it fits in this so tight that when I pulled it off, this part was also coming out with it. Now when I put in the other car charger into this, it doesn't work. There is no power. I put the same one back in, there is still no power. So then I thought, okay, let's try another port. And then I tried this port as well. There is still no power. I tried the second port with the other car charger. There's still no power. I've even tried plugging in the light in this port. There's still no power. So I thought maybe just the car's battery is low, and I popped the hood and then I connected the light directly to the car battery, and the light works. So the battery isn't the issue. I think the ports are connected in a series connection. So if one goes out, the other one goes out as well. This piece of shit caused me a big damage, big loss. Please avoid this product. Okay, open the fuse box. We need to look for 15A, and it is the fuse number 13. We have to replace it with another spare fuse 30. So we were successfully able to replace the fuse. This is what caused the fuse to short out. So let's throw this out, and we have the device connected. Now let's crank the key into accessory position, and now we have this active. So we can connect our mobile to the Bluetooth, and we have to match the radio frequency with the frequency displayed on this screen. And once we have done that, we can stream audio from our mobile to the radio.